Hello, my name is Kurt Cruz and this is Brian O'Neill, and we're here today at Coast to Coast International here in the R&D Center to share with you some of the latest CCI restyling and wheel accessories. Let's go. In my hand is an ABS liner that's constructed of ABS, automotive grade ABS plastic, and is designed and manufactured to fit over and into a specific wheel. We have an IMP426X. Brian, show us how to install it.
This fits a 14 to 18 GMC Sierra. Start by removing your OEM center cap. Line up your valve stem. Pop into place and then tighten down your retention. Reinstall your OEM center cap and then wipe off any fingerprints.
It'll take Brian longer to wipe off the fingerprints than it did to actually install the skin. So as you saw, the Impostor wheel skin instantly changes the finish of a wheel. If you do this at a dealership level, the Impostor wheel skin will instantly upgrade the trim level appearance of that vehicle. The third benefit of an Impostor wheel skin is if you do have some wheel damage, some cosmetic wheel damage, maybe some road rash, maybe some clear coat peeling off, the Impostor wheel skin can easily cover that too. For additional information or to see more, visit us online at coasttocoastinternational.com.